What's up, guys? Today just wanted to take a quick look at this outdoor edge knife. I've been using this for about the past 3 years. Absolutely love it. I use it for hunting, and yeah, it works so well. And let's kind of get into it. Starting with the sheath, kind of a beefy sheath and a little bit bigger, so if you're looking for something super compact, you can easily just take the knife out and take that with you. But the sheath does add some weight and some heft to it, which I kind of appreciate. You can always find it in your pack and whatnot. The knife itself, you get a pretty good sized knob to get this out of there. Really easy to flip up and use. The safety on this, right on the back here, able to flip it down and flip it back up, but that's how the safety works. Then you have this little knob right here, which definitely don't do this barehanded, and I won't do it right now, but you push this and you can pull this razor out and then replace it whenever it's getting dull and not doing the job that you want it to. So really cool design. Also in the sheath, they give you plenty of room for extra razors. This is what they look like, and you can always order more of these once you go through them. But I find probably 2 razors is nice for about 1 deer. So I usually go through them relatively quickly, depending on how the hunting season's going. So definitely keep some extra razors with you. They come in handy. But guys, great little knife here. If you're looking for a hunting knife, I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.